The 2011 Mercedes GL-Class. This 7-passenger luxury SUV has a great deal of interior space without huge exterior dimensions. The third row seat is roomy enough for all adults. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, power liftgate, power passenger seat, CD changer, tow hitch, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, universal garage door opener, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.